When it comes to automating your swing gate, make the right choice. Make the right choice with a design which is extremely reliable and discreet. A 24-volt automation that is silent, safe, maintenance-free and able to withstand the worst weather conditions. Its intuitive release mechanism is extremely user-friendly. This solution is safe, smart and stops immediately when it touches an obstacle. With its unique and patented pass-point system, LiftMaster makes sure the programming of the gate will never be lost, even after a power cut. Additionally, the system ensures the gate moves with extreme accuracy. On top of that, thanks to the photocells, the automation will detect the obstacle before the impact. The automation recognizes the obstacle, stops and returns to its original position. With LiftMaster, you will also enjoy numerous innovative accessories that will improve your life every day. Make the right choice with the world market leader. Make the right choice with the LYN400 by LiftMaster.